swear, I'm not gonna waste your time. Today, we're learning something that I've been so passionate about. I love this app.
You got
so
the power.
Hi. You know that very awkward hi when you know that you haven't posted in forever and then you just come back out of nowhere? Hi. I'm Shayla and welcome back to a new video. I'm so sorry for not posting and I'm so happy to be back, and I really hope this is the last time I take a break. This is my dream, this is my goal. So I'm here to win your hearts back with the productivity video, and today we're gonna be starting with Notion. Notion is probably the only reason I'm back on YouTube. I just couldn't gatekeep this information to myself. Like, I had to tell you guys about this app. It's so good. You know those people that write very aesthetically pleasing notes? I could never do that. Now, you could organize your whole entire life aesthetically pleasing to the way you want it, and it's all online. And now I really just want to share it with you guys for free, so you guys don't have to go through the hard work I went through to make this video and make the template for you guys. This video is morely to show you how I use Notion to organize my life and how it has helped me in different aspects, how I design my own thing. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe. I'm gonna be back, I promise. Alright, so let's start off with my homepage. This is the Shayla's Hub. It says, what's poppin' cutie, let's track your habits, because I'm so intimidated with like so much information all at once. Then I put the I love my friends in the middle because friends are like the most important things to me. Basically, this is a personal CRM. I also made my own template because I feel like how I listed it, it's so much better than like the basic. On the template here, I put family members, likes, dislikes, wish list, and random notes that I like to bring up with them and just want to know about them. My favorite thing about the personal CRM is it reminds you if you haven't contacted them. And that is what I struggled with the most, because I be getting called out for that. And let's go into daily challenge. This is my good morning, good night list. I list all the tasks of what I'm supposed to do in the morning and the nighttime and track my habits. This is my workout plans. This really boosted my productivity as I love to-do lists. I love checking things off. It's really nice to see all of the check marks at the end of the month. Next up is my 2021 calendar. Basically, this would be my daily routine, my month's focus, and my January monthly planner. I used to focus so much on school that I kind of like just didn't care about my life, and that was really hard. So I had to like decrease that and then start working on myself more. So let's say my first goal is that, so then the first monthly goal, I would write how I would do that, and at the end of the month you just check them off. For me, it was just something I really wanted to look back on every month and how I'm doing with my monthly goals. Also wanted to show you guys my template for my calendar. Basically, if you clicked on the WYD, it would lead you to this page. This is how I time block my tasks, my days, because a checklist alone does not help me at all. I love checking things off, but time blocking is the best way you can keep track, and this page is a lifesaver. I love this page. Under content, I have notebook, subscription tracker, reading lists, and shopping lists, and fitness. I haven't used that yet because I put it all in daily challenge because I didn't like seeing too many pages. This made me happy on how I laid it out, but if you guys wanted to change it, you can totally go ahead. Just click on the link, click duplicate, and it goes right to your hub, and you can change it however. I really recommend you changing it to your style, to your pictures, and motivating yourself with how you like your hub. So let's go on Dear Future Self, because this is my favorite page ever. I love this page, and it's basically personal growth and manifestation. I love this page. I worked so hard on it. Let's go to my favorite page on earth. I laid this page out from easy, medium, hard, and just some tips that I really found through research, YouTube videos, and I really believe I simplified it enough so that even beginners can look into it and just do it. So basically, I give you some prompts to research and how I learned about it. But yeah, these are the tips and actions, and I really recommend you guys reading through it all because I really tried to simplify it, even though it's hard to simplify it, but you know, I did it. But I definitely recommend you guys getting into it because I love it so much. I ranked this list based on how I found it because I feel like manifestation was so intimidating when I got into it. Some people will be like, Shayla, you can't rank manifestation because in the end it does the same thing. Yeah, I know, but this is how I ranked it to how I found it because I was not clear enough on my goals. I was not clear enough of what I wanted to manifest. I just wanted to manifest. Like, I was like, I want to get 10,000 puppies. Like, I didn't even want that. Basically, the easy, medium, hard helps you with some clarity with what your goals and what you actually want in life. Because if you're manifesting for things that you're not clear enough on, it won't work, and people really get that bad experience with it, and then, you know, you just don't like manifesting and you put everyone down on it. You guys might have your own opinions on it, but if you don't agree, just delete the page. Please don't come at me. Everyone does it, so like, why not? I love manifesting and I love astrology just because no one has really proved it wrong. So don't put it down because no one has actually scientifically put it down before. I was so happy about my manifestation page that I completely forgot about listen to your heart, but like, you know, listen to your heart isn't even that much. It's just your forever goals, your intention, so that would help your manifestation page. This is overcome your fears. This year I want to get out of my comfort zone. I'm scared of a lot of things and I don't want to put that on the internet because you guys are going to use that against me. The grown-up checklist. I don't know much about growing up, but I really recommend you finding an adult checklist just to balance yourself and see if you're missing out on anything, if you needed to learn about anything. And astrology, I don't really know much about it, so I'm researching it. But if you guys don't want to have astrology or manifestation, that is completely fine and really up to you. But I really recommend you finding resources that would help you understand society, yourself, and other people a lot better. And I'm being serious for no reason at all. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know much either. Like, I really don't. Anyways, this is a lifetime bucket list things, and this is everything I want to do and how I keep track of what I did and what I didn't do, so I do it. 2021 ultimate goals this year. Short-term beast, I guess it can be like any time as long as it's very short-term and you know you can do it. It's pretty easy. I literally put downtown parking lot vibe photo shoot. That's just something I wanted to do, you know, so I'm just gonna put it on. The next column I have is the YYC Foodini. I live in Calgary, so I listed all the food places that I really wanted to try. If you guys want this list and you're from Calgary, let me know. I'll send it. Or you can take a screenshot of this video. Wait, don't screenshot it yet. I literally go to the same places that I've already checked marked off because I'm too scared to order something that I don't like and waste money on it. So yeah. Okay, so with Ultimate Traveler, it really just connects to my travel plan page, and basically each page I made a list of where I wanted to go and what I wanted to do in that country or that place. Alright, with the wish list tracker, I'm tracking what I have, what I need, and what I want. So when you look at what you already have, do you really need another? That's just a second reflection. And pharmacy technician. Now this is how I organize my school life. I need this so much. So this is the start of it. It's the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and basically it tracks my priorities so that I can actually time block it and what I really need to get done. And then you have your timetable. Wow, what class you have, if it's on campus, online lecture. I really love the layout of my whole school page. I love it so much. I worked so hard on it. If you're from my school and you want this layout, I'd be more than happy to share it with you guys. So down here you have the syllabus and the projects and notes. I'm working on that, but I love making aesthetically pleasing notes, and it's so much easier because I can just search up images rather than drawing it or printing it. With my career hub, so I have all these resources on the side. I'm gonna give 100% credit to Mesh Times. I haven't even touched these, I just know they're helpful, and if I ever needed to use them, they're there. Basically, the career hub, I linked my resume, cover letter, LinkedIn, portfolio for my art, for whatever I wanted to do in the future. I made a portfolio. But the one thing that I really love, I made a template that lists the job details and the to-do, your tasks before getting into the job. Maybe make a company value checklist. Like, if your values align with the company's, it makes it so much easier to just get a job because you already love that job. You are suitable for that. I also made an interview checklist. Not an interview checklist, but an interview prompt. And this is like the easiest way you can prepare. Everything's on one page and you got it. I really hope you guys make use of this. This is amazing. I love this so much. The last one, creative content. I got this page from definitely Twirling Pages. Shout out to you. I love you so much. The only thing I added onto and redesigned was the YouTube content page. Other than that, there's a Instagram and a Twitter template. All thanks to Twirling Pages. Girl, I love you. Your creative content template is amazing. I love it. If you guys are content creators, this is extremely helpful for you, and I really hope you guys use it. Keywords, sponsor information. I don't have a sponsor. Do you know why? I have 200 subscribers. Although I'm very happy that I hit 200 subscribers without posting, I'm so thankful for you guys. Like, I never thought I would get here. So if you guys wanted to help me get a sponsor, you know, that subscribe button looking pretty cute, right? The publishing checklist. You add everything, check mark everything that you did. And then I have the editing checklist. Basically, structures, folders, import, basically your timeline of editing. I love this page. So I have intellect, which is the last page, and it's my dictionary of words that I really want to know. I want to just keep praising God. Okay, anyways, my parents are home. I have to cook rice. So if you enjoyed my video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe.